Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today we're going to look at a tool that is just blowing my mind right now. We're going to do a super quick review. We're going to use this picture here and this picture here. So we're not going to edit them to look like they do on my Instagram feed, which link is in the bio below. But what we are going to do is we're going to assess the situation in terms of noise, because this is nigh on unusable. That's horrific. If you can't see the level of noise, please do try and watch this in 4K or at least 1080p if your device can only go that high. These pictures were shot, again, I'm having real issues getting my monitor brightness right, and obviously I screwed up massively in this situation. I've had to overexpose this image by 2 stops. I've overexposed this image by 1 stop. And what I did was I actually downloaded a trial of this software and I plugged it into Lightroom so I can right click, edit in and open the tool, which is Topaz DeNoise AI. I've seen the adverts for this and I thought it was a load of crap, if I'm being honest with you, but yeah, let's withhold judgment. So what it does is it creates a virtual copy, then that opens the raw file up. Now, as you can see, I've split the screen so that we can see things. Nothing is happening at the moment because I haven't applied anything, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Auto Detect Settings. Now, I'm going to start with this one, I think, and show you guys just how phenomenal this insane software is. Let me show you. This is before. Oh, look. Can you see that? Can you see? Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's go up here. Look at it. Look at that. Oh my god. I mean, I'm so blown away by this software. I'm just completely blown away by it. I mean, let me go on to the worst one and then you'll see how it handles such horrific grain. Look at that. Mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. If there was ever a tool to save work, I mean, I know this one's like, let's just put it on Instagram and that's all that it will ever see, but if there was ever a tool that existed to save work, this is it. So yeah, how much is this witchcraft gonna set you back? Well, let's go and have a look. So it is $59.99. There is a 30-day trial. It's on offer for the next few days. Check that before you go ahead and buy it. And one thing that I did double check is, you know, how, like, do we have to pay that every year? Is it an annual thingy-majiggy or is it not? And for those questions, I then went ahead and looked at the actual pricing pages. So on the pricing page, you've got the cost of everything. So the tool that we've just used is this DeNoise, and then the upgrade license gives you a year of additional upgrades, and for those it is $49.99. I have heard really good things about Sharpen and Gigapixel as well, so that's probably worth looking at too if you like this kind of thing. What I would say is don't use it on everything, only use it when you absolutely have to, and once you've used it, do inspect the image at least 100% zoom. If it destroys it, it's not worth using. Make sure that you play around and learn how to use it. So this picture is the one that we have just worked on. It has just had its denoise done, and then after the edit that I did on this picture, it ended up looking like this. The noise, the division between the sharp areas and the bokeh areas is absolutely fine. There are no areas of noise infringement still on there. It is a super clean image. We've even gone into some of the shadow areas below. Like I said, I've not overly processed it in terms of the noise front, but I am really, really happy with how that is looking. I would give this tool a solid 10 out of 10 because it saved my life in terms of these pictures. I will obviously sort out my screen monitor brightness in the live view display on my camera, but this is something that you can absolutely lean on if you've come away from a shoot and you just think, holy crap, what on earth am I going to do here? Yeah, you can open up your low light shooting potential and life has just got a bit better. If you haven't already, please do press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Bell icon helps you out because it gives you a notification every single time I upload a video. I upload a video every week and sometimes more than that if I feel like it and if I can. We've got an active Facebook group in terms of critique and tips, and then also I'm starting to be a lot more active on Instagram. I would really appreciate the follow on those as well, but if you're only going to do one thing, make sure it is to subscribe. I love you all. See you all again soon. I hope you enjoyed this video.